Imagine a traveler from another star system hurtling through the vast darkness of space, arriving in our solar system, one of a kind, and yet part of a hidden tide of interstellar visitors. That journey is real, okay? And the object we're about to explore is named 3I Atlas. In this video, we'll uncover why it's named that way, what it's doing here, and what mysterious secrets it might carry. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? First, let's get the basics. 3I Atlas is an interstellar object, meaning it did not originate in our solar system. It is only the third one ever confirmed. It was first spotted on July 1st, 2025 by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, telescope in Chile. Astronomers analyzed its trajectory and found it follows a hyperbolic path. It isn't bound to our sun, which means it came from far, far beyond. Because of that, it won't be staying. It'll pass through our solar system and then depart, heading back into interstellar space. In short, it's a cosmic messenger, a visitor from another star system. Now, why the name 3I Atlas? Every single part of that name carries meaning. The Atlas part, as you might guess, refers to the surveyed telescope system that discovered it. The letter I stands for interstellar, a special designation for objects that come from outside our solar system, and the 3. That simply means this is the third interstellar object ever confirmed by astronomers. The first was the mysterious one, Oumuamua, back in 2017. And the second was to I Borisov in 2019. So, when you put it all together, 3I Atlas is the third interstellar object discovered by Atlas from beyond our solar system. It's a simple name, but it reveals a profound truth. We are not alone. Our solar system is just one of many. Let's retrace the path of its discovery. On July 1st, 2025, the Atlas telescope sent out an alert about a new object. By collecting more observations and even finding earlier pre-discovery images from other telescopes, scientists were able to trace its path back in time. The key clue was its orbit. It's hyperbolic, which is a very specific astronomical term indicating the object isn't gravitationally bound to the sun. Its orbital eccentricity is greater than 1, meaning it will come in, swing by the sun, and leave again, never to return. It's expected to make its closest approach to the sun, or perihelion, in late October 2025. Getting to about 1.4 astronomical units away, its path means we only have a limited window to observe it, a fleeting, once-in-a-lifetime encounter that adds so much to the intrigue. So, why do scientists care so much about this visitor? Because 3I Atlas offers a direct sample of material from another star system, completely pristine, untouched by our own sun's influence. Everything in our solar system, from Earth to the most distant comets, formed from the same cloud of gas and dust. But an interstellar object like this comes from somewhere else entirely. It might carry different chemical compounds, have a different structure, and hold clues to how other star systems are built. As one scientist put it, it's a window into what pristine material from other solar systems is. By comparing it to other interstellar visitors, we can start to answer some huge questions. Is our solar system typical? Or is it somehow rare? 3I Atlas isn't just another space rock. It's a messenger from the great unknown. So, what have scientists already found out? And what are the big questions that remain? What we know is that it has been seen producing a coma, cloud of dust, and gas in the tail, which are classic signs of a comet. We also know it's moving incredibly fast, even faster than the other interstellar objects we've seen. In images, it has a faint, fuzzy appearance, typical of comets, but its behavior is a little unusual. Now, for what we don't know, its exact composition is still a mystery. How much water ice does it have? How much carbon dioxide ice? What kinds of organic compounds are locked within it? Some early data hints at an extremely high ratio of carbon dioxide to water, which is fascinating. We also have no idea which star system it came from, how it was ejected, or how long it's been drifting through the void. And while the scientific consensus is that it's a natural object, a tiny sliver of mystery always remains about its origin. We have more questions than answers, and that's what makes this so thrilling. And that brings us to the suspense. When 3I Atlas first appeared, some astronomers couldn't help but wonder, could it be artificial? A probe from another civilization? That's because it showed some unexpected behavior. It started glowing earlier than a typical comet would, and it seems unusually active, even at vast distances from the sun. However, the overwhelming consensus is that this is a natural body of comet that got kicked out of its home star system. But even so, the story of its origin is a complete blank. Which star system cast it out? Is it a gravitational nudge from a giant planet or a close call with another star? How many eons has it been wandering through the cold, dark emptiness between the stars? These are all open mysteries. Another layer of suspense comes from our limited time. We have just a short window to study it before it disappears back into the void forever. It's like trying to decode an ancient message, only for it to vanish before you finish reading. That's where the real tension lies. The possibility of finding unexpected chemistry is also tantalizing. If we find compounds never seen in our solar system, we might have to rewrite entire chapters of planetary science. So, what are the big lessons we could learn from 3I Atlas? By studying its composition, we can get a peek into how planetary systems beyond our own form what their ices, dust, and volatile materials are made of. By comparing it with Oumuamua and Borisov, we can start to figure out how common these interstellar wanderers are. Is our solar system constantly being visited, or are these rare events? By tracking its journey, we can refine our understanding of how objects travel through the galaxy, how they get ejected from their homes and navigate the vast distances between stars. And on a deeper, more philosophical level, it's a powerful reminder that the universe is so much larger and stranger than we can imagine. Life and worlds aren't just confined to our own little neighborhood. Let's imagine its journey. Billions of years ago, this object formed around a distant, unknown star. Somewhere out there, a new solar system was taking shape. Ices, dust, and rocks were clumping together. Then, a gravitational shuffle happened. Maybe a giant planet migrated, or another star passed too close in. One piece was flung out into space. That piece became 3I Atlas. It drifted through the dark, cold, interstellar medium for millions, maybe billions of years. Then, in 2025, our telescopes finally spotted it as it paid a brief visit to our neighborhood, swings past our sun, makes its closest approach, and then heads back out, never to return. In that brief encounter lies the entire story of another world, written in ice and dust. This is more than science. It's cosmic storytelling. To wrap it all up, 3I Atlas is the third known interstellar object to pass through our solar system. Its name tells its story. 3 for third eye for interstellar, and Atlas for the telescope that found it. It's a comet-like object on a path that will take it away from us forever. It offers a rare glimpse into the building blocks of another star system, but many mysteries remain. Its true origin, its exact composition, and its ultimate destiny. The suspense is real, as this fleeting visitor will soon be gone again, but its significance is lasting. It expands our perspective and reminds us that our solar system is not the whole story. In the end, 3I Atlas is both a scientific treasure and a cosmic mystery. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that among the familiar stars, silent visitors are wandering. And sometimes, just sometimes, one sails through our corner of space, bringing tales from afar. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of our solar system, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Let me know in the comments, what kind of star system do you think 3I Atlas came from? And stick around, because in the vastness of space, there will surely be more visitors waiting for us to notice them. Thanks for watching.